Hello students, today we will discuss some more types of trigonometry functions integration of some more types of trigonometric function. Come to one type here, it is even power of sine and cos, even power of sin x and cos x. It is of the form first bit dx by a plus b sin square x, dx by a plus b cos square x, dx by a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c. In these three types, what are the rules? Rules are, come to first bit rule, multiply sec square x in each term of both numerator and denominator. Now tell me, what is the value of sec square into cos square? It is 1. What is the value of sin square into sec square? Sec square is 1 by cos square. So sin square into sec square means sin square by cos square, it is tan square. So sin square into sec square is tan square, cos square into sec square is 1. And we come to one example for this. Dx by 2 sin square x minus 3 cos square x plus 5. Now multiply, here is sin square even power of sin and cos. So same power of sec will be multiplied in numerator and denominator. Multiply sec square x into dx by 2 sin square x into sec square x minus 3 cos square x into sec square x plus 5 sec square x. Right? This is equal to integration of sec square x into dx by 2 tan square x minus 3 cos square, sin square into sec square is tan square, cos square into sec square is 1, and it is 5 into 1 plus tan square x. Finally, it is integration of sec square x into dx by 7 tan square x plus 2. If we take z is equal to tan x, sec square will be dz. Let z is equal to tan x, dz is equal to sec square x into dx. So it will be integration of dz by 7z square plus 2. Take 7 common out, 1 by 7 into dz by z square plus 2 by 7. So 1 by 7 into 1 by root over of 2 by 7 into tan inverse z by root 2 by root 7, this plus c. 7, root 7 cancel. So it will be root 7 into root 2. It is what? Root 14. Root 14 into tan inverse root 7z by root 2 plus c. What about z? Z is tan x. So we write 1 by root 14 into tan inverse root 7 tan x divided by root 2 plus c. This is the value of integration. This is the final answer of the integration of quadratic or even power of sin x and cos x. In this case, we just multiply same power of sec in both numerator and denominator, change denominator to tan x form and numerator in sec square form, put tan x is equal to z. This is first type we discuss. Now come to second type of this trigonometry type. Type 2, dx by a plus b sin x. First bit, second bit, dx by a plus b cos x dx by a sin x plus b cos x plus c. In the rule, write first bit, put sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 and cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Second step, first step over, second step, after simplification, put z is equal to tan x by 2, put z is equal to tan x by 2. Come to one question for this. Indication of dx by 2 cos x plus 5. What is the value of cos x here? 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. We put this value dx by 2 into 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2 plus 5. Simplify it. 1 plus tan square x by 2 into dx divided by 2 into 1 minus tan square x by 2 plus 5 into 1 plus tan square x by 2. Upper is sec square x by 2. 1 plus tan square is sec square x by 2. Sec square x by 2 into dx. Denominator 2 plus 5, 7 minus 2 tan square plus 5 tan square is 3 tan square x by 2. Now put z is equal to what? Let z is equal to tan x by 2. dz by dx is equal to sec square x by 2 into x by 2 derivative is 1 by 2. So what about 2 dz? 2 dz is equal to sec square x by 2 into dx. So we write this is equal to 2 dz divided by 7 plus 3z square. Take 3 common, so 2 by 3 out, it will be dz by z square plus 7 by 3. dx by x square plus a square, 1 by a tan inverse x by a, 2 by 3, 1 by root over of 7 by 3 tan inverse z by root 7 by root 3 plus c. 3 will be cancelled, root 3 root 7 root 21 into tan inverse root 3z by root 7 plus c. So you now put the value of this 2 by root 21 tan inverse root 3 tan x by 2 by root 7 plus c. This is one type of trigonometric functions. In case of single power of sine and cos, we simplify this using sin x is equal to tan x by 2, 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2, and cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is all about the one type of trigonometry, and some more will be in the next video.